Hey guys, so today we are gonna be unboxing two new fragrances. Y'all know I love my fragrances, so we got two new fragrances. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first one is this PRADA Paradoxe Intense. Yeah. I tried this at, where was it again? Ulta Beauty. And it smells so good, so I decided to go get it. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right here. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at this. Now this bottle actually is so pretty, baby. Can you see the bottle? It's so beautiful. This triangle, and it has the Prada Milano, yeah, and then it has the name there on the top as well. Very beautiful. The juice is darker. The juice for the intense is the darkest, and it looks so beautiful, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and share the fragrance notes up on the screen right here on the top so you guys can see it. Now on Macy's, it just says that the key notes are jasmine, amber fix, moss, accord. It is definitely a floral, ambery women's fragrance, and it's absolutely so beautiful. The bottle alone, oh, good quality. I love it. I already had it on at the store when I went to pick it up, but I'm going to go ahead and, because I'm about to go out. The spray is really good. Yeah, y'all, this right here. I am so happy that I got it. The moment I tried it at Ulta, I knew I wanted to have it, and I'm glad that I already have it. So yeah, and I got it when Macy's had the 15% off beauty, and I also got a free gift. Let me show you. They gave me this bag, this Prada pouch, and it came in this dust bag. Very beautiful. And this is what it looks like. Y'all, look at that. It is actually the shape of the perfume as well, the bottle, and it's so beautiful. It's just the same, very light pink, and this is the first time I'm opening it. Okay, so it's just a pouch. So you can use it as a travel pouch if you want. This will be nice to hold my little items when I travel. Guess what? Here's the catcher. Bath and Body Works actually made this body mist, which is Petal Parade, and it is inspired by this Prada Paradoxe. And it is so beautiful. And I would say it's a very, very... yeah, it's very, very good, and it will be so good for layering, you know. Go in there, once you shower and all of that, put in your lotion, you go in and just drench yourself in this body mist, and then you go in with your perfume. That will make the scent last even longer. I mean, this scent, because it's just a body mist. And it smells so similar. It's really good. I love it so much. So yeah, there you go. Oh, and they also gave me this nice gift box. I asked for it. I did ask for it, because I like the way I display it with the boxes. I use the boxes as a display. So this is just the sleeve that was in there. And yeah, it's just a simple black box. Oh. Girl, because I did not open it. Look at what I found. What a pleasant surprise. I didn't even know there was a little perfume in there. Oh, that is so cool. So this is actually an early birthday present. My birthday is in May 11th. So this is an early birthday gift, and I am so ready to start using it, honestly. So yeah, here we go. We got a new baby.